but it's kind of like in a tsunami scenario, the tide goes out before it all comes crushing back in. You will eventually, look, it's not sustainable. What time horizon is, we can argue over, but I actually think that what you're seeing right now is, and what you'll continue to see even more accelerated, is people are getting access to the US dollar that they've never had before. And that is actually super desirable in other places across the world. At some point that will snap back. And then I think we get into these novel ideas and it may, slowly and then all at once, right? So that's one thing. I have my hottest take on this issue is that the idea of money goes away entirely. In the world of AI agents, and assuming frictionless, seamless capital markets and liquidity, why wouldn't I hold, we're talking about our purchasing powers, why wouldn't I hold a basket or portfolio of assets that matter to me? You hold a basket of or portfolio of assets that matter to you. And then when I want to buy something from you, our agents, our autonomous agents, seamlessly swap this little basket of mine into a basket of yours and rebalance it. So I actually have a take where if we move to a world where an increasing amount of GDP and economic activity occurs through autonomous agents and you have totally seamless and frictionless capital markets and liquidity, money goes away entirely. So that's my like kind of hot-ish take and then super hot take. Where are we going in the stablecoin market for you?
Okay. I think, given the concepts.
Imagine there's no money. It's easy if you try. Sorry, go on.
I think your dream is going to be like fusion. It's always going to be 20 years out.
You may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. Go on, Carl.
Yeah, so I don't think we're gonna get quite there anytime in the future. I do agree with you that there's a lot of demand for stables, and that demand's likely going to grow. However, I also think it's interesting the risk profile around stables because they're so highly regulated, and also just the risk profile around the dollar itself.